Hello students, in this session we will discuss about description of sets. It means how many ways we can write the sets. In this class we will learn about different ways to write the sets, examples and exercise problems. Description of a set. There are two different ways to write the sets. One is roster form or list form. Second one is set builder form or rule form or property form. Now let us see what is roster method. In this method, all the elements of the set are listed, the elements being separated by commas and are enclosed within curly brackets. See here one example. The set of vowels in English alphabet is set of A, E, I, O, U. Another example, A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, so on. See these examples, all the elements of a set are listed, the elements being separated by commas and are enclosed within curly brackets. Here important note is every element is listed only once. The elements are never repeated here. Now we will see in mathematics where we can apply this concept. Suppose set of natural numbers can be written as like n is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. The whole numbers can be written as w is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. See, all these sets, the elements of the sets are listed, the elements being separated by commas and are enclosed within curly brackets, and also the elements never repeated. Next one is set builder form. Before going to the set builder form, I give one simple example for you. Suppose here asked to write a set of whole numbers between 0 to 10,000. Then we write set of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 9,999. This is time taken to write all the numbers. So it is difficult to write. Then we apply the second method, set builder form. In this method, we apply common property or common rule of the given numbers. So set builder form is the form used when all the elements of a set possess a single common property. We represent the elements of a set as X and after it we put such that and then give the rule that should satisfy every element of the set is called set builder form. Suppose I take one example, A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then It can be written in the set builder form of A is equal to X such that X belongs to N, comma X less than or equal to 5. This is the common property of the given set. Second example, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it can be written in the set builder form of the given set is the elements are in natural numbers. So it can be written as n is equal to x such that x comma x is a natural number. Based on this concept, now we will do some textual examples. This is exercise 1.1 fifth problem. Write the following sets in roster form. Here given set builder form. Question is in set builder forms. Now we have to change in roster form. See first question, b is equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. Then the answer is b is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural number starts with 1. Here given smaller than 6. So we have to write up to 5. Next second question, x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. Here given the sum of its digits is 8. So 1, 7, 1 plus 7 is 8. Next 2, 26, 2 plus 6 is 8. 35, 3 plus 5 is 8. 44, 4 plus 4 is 8. 53, 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 2, 62. 8, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 80. These are the 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. This is the roster form of the given set builder form. Third bit, x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Now we write the divisors of 60 first. What are the divisors of 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. All the numbers are divisors of 60. Now here we have to write prime number which is a divisor of 60. In these numbers, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. Only 3 numbers are the prime divisors of 60. Last question, fourth question. E is equal to x such that x is an alphabet in D, E, T, T, E are better. So the answer is here. What are the letters? B, E, T, R. E is equal to B, comma, E, comma, T, comma, R. This is the answer. Here the elements are not repeated. Next question. Write the following sets in set builder form. Here given roster form, we have to change in set builder form. Here given 3, 6, 9, 12. Observe this set. All the elements of the set are, multiples of 3 here. So we write common property. X such that x is a multiple of 3 and less than 13. Second question is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So here given all the elements are power of 2. So x such that x is an power of 2 and x less than 6. Third bit 5, 25, 125, 625. So this set all the elements are square of 5. So x such that x is a square of 5 and x less than 5. Fourth question. 1, 4, 9, 25, so on 100. The common property of the set is all the elements are squares of natural numbers. So the answer is D is equal to x such that x is a square of natural number that numbers are less than 11. Here 10 square is 100. So the numbers less than 11. This is sixth question. Seventh question. The question is in set builder form. Here we have to change in roster form. First bit is x such that x is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So here we have to write greater than 50. So 51, 52, 53, 54 less than 100. So 99 here. This is the roster form. Second bit, x such that x is an integer, x square is equal to 4. X is in an integer here given. So x square is equal to 4. Integer means plus 2 and minus 2. So x is equal to plus 2. It will come 4. X is equal to minus 2. Then minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. So plus 2 comma minus 2 is the answer of this given set. D. X such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So here given word, in this word there are L letter, O letter, Y letter, A letter. L is repeated here. So we take one time only. So L comma Y, O comma Y comma A. This is roster form. Here matching is given. 8th problem, exercise 1.1. So match the roster form with set builder form. First question. First bit, set of 1, 2, 3, 6 is matched with x such that x is a natural number and a divisor of 6. 6, 1, 2, 3, 6 are divisors of 6. So 1 is matched with C. Second one, 2, 3. Two is matched with a prime number and a divisor of 6. Third one, mathematics is matched with matheics is matched with D. Next 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is matched with B and is an odd natural number smaller than 10. These are all problems of description of sets. So thank you.